Well, let me fix my microphone. Y'all hear that in the background. Good morning. I'm giving it. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Welcome back to JJ's PC Builds. This is JJ right here. Right here. We got some hot news for you. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take and fulfill something we got going on right here. And we're going to take and go right over to the screen. This is all about the the X3D coming out from AMD. So make sure y'all stick around, get your soda, get your popcorn, get it all ready. AMD put out a 3-minute presentation, so what we're going to do is we're going to take and go ahead and we're going to play the presentation. And, you know, so this way you all can hear what's going on. So, let's hope I can get it right. We'll see what we got going on. So, here we go. We're going to switch screens right now. And we switched our screens. Let's hope we can get this audio going just right for you. We're going to go ahead and play the little clip that AMD just put out. That's why my face is right here. And as you can see, my face is right here. So we're going to go ahead and play the clip. And here we go.
This year at CES, we announced a new addition to our desktop processor lineup. The Ryzen 7000 series processors with AMD 3D V-Cache technology. Today, I want to share some exciting news about these next-gen processors. This marks the first time that we've offered 3D V-Cache technology with our Ryzen 9 processors, which means that enthusiasts will be able to harness both the ultimate gaming performance and the ultimate creator performance in one processor, so no workload is off limits. I know that many gamers highly anticipate these processors coming to market, so today I'll share everything you need to know about these new processors, including pricing and availability. It's a straightforward upgrade with the advanced AM5 platform. You can install your new Ryzen 7000 series processor, update your chipset driver and BIOS, and you're good to go. And since all AM5 motherboards support an easy BIOS flash feature, you don't need to worry about BIOS compatibility. As far as cooling solutions go, we recommend using at least a 280mm all-in-one liquid cooler for the best performance. A range of cooler options for the Ryzen 7000 series processors can be found on AMD.com. Now let's talk briefly about suggested pricing for each of these new parts. The Ryzen 7 7800X3D will be offered for $449, the Ryzen 9 7900X3D for $599, and the top-of-the-line Ryzen 9 7950X3D for $699.
Now I'm going to pause it right there because I'm going to fix this up on the screen. Let's go ahead and just fix this really quick so you all can see it nice and neatly. I guess I had it all miscombobbled. Let's go ahead and just get it just right so this way y'all can see it. Yes, I'm taking this extra minute to move things around. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. So now y'all can see that I want to reiterate on these prices really quick. $449 right here for the 7800X3D. You got 7900X3D and you get the 7950X3D. Now, I understand AMD's trying to, you know, make up for that price difference, that variations, but you know, to me the price isn't right. I mean, if they were going to do it, then they should have had an entry level X3D, like a 7600 X3D, which would start off at maybe $199, and had an entry level and then go up to the 7700, which would be, you know, let's say $279, and then had the 7800, then the 449, and so on. Made it a 5-tier. But they made it 3-tier right here And, you know, I understand, you know, you're getting price to performance, but with the price isn't at the performance. Okay, we don't know exactly what performance it gives out for these prices. 8-core 16 thread, you know, up to 5 gigahertz, 4.2 base clock, 104 megabytes of cache, and 120 watt TDP. What for the 7800 X3D? And when, you know, they said it's for enthusiasts, and, you know, but they didn't say nothing about overclocking. They said it for creator and enthusiast. They said nothing about overclockers, which is on the enthusiast side, but they said nothing about total overclocking. What kind of overclocking features will you get with this? Let's just move on through the video and see what else we can find. But I'm telling you, these prices look ridiculous. You know, to me, they kind of look ridiculous.
We are excited to get these processors in your hand so you can enjoy the fastest gaming performance in the world. And you can expect to see the Ryzen 9 processors, including the 7950 X3D and the 7900 X3D, available on shelves beginning February 28th. The Ryzen 7 7800 X3D will be available soon thereafter on April 6th. We look forward to seeing what you can do with all that processing power in the new Ryzen 7000 series processors with AMD 3D V-Cache technology.
Alrighty, we got that little presentation from AMD. Just to let you know, let's go back to the main screen and give you my conclusion to this. Okay, let's get to it. My conclusion. We don't know. I'm going to say this. Price to performance, I can't tell you. But the prices are kind of high. But that's kind of expected with the new technology coming out just the first say. Okay, now, if later on down the road they're going to have more X3Ds coming out, but, you know, with the 7800 X3D, 7900 X3D, and 7950 X3D coming out, that's a good start. You know, just let y'all know, that's a really good start. As far as overclocking, I can't tell you because they pretty much didn't tell anybody. So basically you have to wait until it comes out, then it gets tested, and then everybody gives you their point of view, and then you look at the results and the SKUs and all that. So let's wait to see what the 7950 X3D that's going to be coming out in the end of the month. I think they said 2023. So that's the first one. Next one to come out is April the 6th of this year. And the other one they didn't say, so I guess we'll have to wait. But at least we're in a step in the right direction, so we know what's going on. You know, so we're not left into the wind. But this little, you know, little 3-minute clip that they gave us at least gives us a price, and as well as be able to look at the rest of it. But that's my few minutes of fame, I'm just going to say. But anyway, if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. It would help out the channel. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Watch hours means that you watch the video from the beginning to the end and you help the channel. Okay, we're not gonna, you know, ask everybody to sit there and pick out cash from their pocket because I know times are tight and everything else. We're not gonna ask that. Okay, but if you subscribe, it helps build the channel, helps us get to the monetization part, and then we can grow more from there. So help us out and subscribe. Help us out even more. Throw a like on the video. You know, thumbs up. And if you want to help out the channel even more, watch the video from the beginning to the end. But anyway, this is the little presentation AMD gave, so here we go. This is starting a new beginning of the Vcache series. But anyway, this is JJ and JJ's PC Builds, and we will see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, right here, live. So we'll touch more on that on the live video tomorrow. So, but this is just a start off for y'all, so that way y'all can get started. All right, I'm gonna jump out of here. So y'all have a great one and be safe and try to have a great day.